Hello guys, and welcome back to the course. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to solve exponential functions and logarithmic functions. Let us consider the equation 6 to the 2x equals 6 to the 1 minus 3x. Now, as 6 to the x and log base 6 of x are inverse functions, then we can apply log 6 of x both sides of the equation. And we end up having that 2x is equal to 1 minus 3x. Thus, if we solve for x, we get that x is equal to 1 over 5. Let us consider now the equation e to the 7 plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Then we can add 3 both sides of the equation and we end up having that e to the 7 plus 2x is equal to 3. Now, as the natural logarithm and the exponential function base e are inverse functions, then we can apply the natural logarithm both sides of the equation. So we end up having that 7 plus 2x is equal to the natural logarithm of 3. And if we solve for x, we have that x is equal to ln of 3 minus 7, all divided by 2. Now, let us take into account our first logarithmic equation provided by log 4 of x squared minus 2x equal to log 4 of 5x minus 12. Now, as we have the same base in both sides of the equation, we can take those two expressions as the exponents of 4 because 4 to the x and log 4 of x are inverse functions. Thus, we end up having x squared minus 2x equal to 5x minus 12. Thus, this is actually equivalent to the quadratic equation x squared minus 7x plus 12, which can be factored as x minus 3 times x minus 4 equals 0. Thus, x equals 3 and x equals 4 are the solutions for the logarithmic equation. Finally, let us take one more example related to logarithmic equation, the one provided by ln of x minus 1 equals 1 plus ln of 3x plus 2. Now, if we subtract ln of 3x plus 2 both sides of the equation, we end up having ln of x minus 1 minus ln of 3x plus 2 equals to 1. Now, if we use the properties of logarithms, we can simplify the left side of the equation as ln of x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2, and this will be equal to 1. Now, as the exponential and the natural logarithm are inverse of each other, we can take exponential both sides of the equation. So we end up having the equation x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 2 equals e. Thus, if we solve for x, we end up having the solution of this logarithmic equation expressed as x equal to minus 2e plus 1 divided by 3e minus 1. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you have learned a lot from this lesson. Now, I invite you to put your knowledge into practice by solving the following logarithmic and exponential equations. And well, guys, until the next lesson.